What does my grandma do at 101 years old to be filled with so much vitality and strength? As much as I would love to take credit for her strength, she's only been doing my exercises for a couple years now. Her advice has always been the same year after year.
Be happy. Do not worry. Don't worry. Be happy always. Don't worry. Be happy.
And that's amazing advice, but I won't lie, we did get bit by the worry bug this year. Correction, my family and I were worried, my grandma never was. Over the winter, my grandmother spent a few weeks in the hospital due to some complications. It was quite the road to recovery, but with the support of family and friends, she kept her spirits up. At 100 years old, it's not easy to recover from something like this, but she did, and she was able to come back home. As much as we were happy that she was finally back home, doctors were saying that she would not have the energy to make it to our wedding in a couple months. But she had hope, but most importantly support from our good friend Professor Toy, who decided to drop everything to perform PEMF on my grandmother. He doesn't typically do house calls, but he did for my grandmother because she kept saying how much she really wanted to attend our wedding. And lo and behold, not only did she attend the wedding, but she partied all night long. And weeks later, celebrated her 101st birthday. She is my source of inspiration and resilience. Don't worry, be happy.